What's up everyone, I'm Alex from Virality Now. I'm glad you guys chose to watch this video so we can help you guys on your TikTok journey to success. No matter where you are on TikTok, we can guarantee that if you stay to the end of this video and implement everything we're going to tell you throughout this video, you will see the amount of viewers you have in your TikTok live skyrocket. You have to make sure you're watching the whole video, guys. Missing even one thing can screw you up, so make sure you guys stay here the entire time and watch everything. I've grown 2 accounts to over 100K in the last 3 months and another 2 accounts over 500K in just under 6 months using the strategies and tips I'm teaching you on this page. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe and like this video, and you guys are going to be able to learn a ton from us. Everything I'm about to teach you in this video as well is proven to work for myself and all the clients we have worked with. We've helped a ton of people go from literally 0 viewers in their live to over 1,000 in just a few days. So make sure you guys stay for this video. For this video, the comment challenge is to comment your TikTok username and your average amount of TikTok live viewers you have. Make sure you guys stay to the end of this video to learn the most important part of going live on TikTok and an exclusive gift to make your TikTok content creation 100 times easier. Before we get into the different ideas and tips to increase your TikTok live, I wanted to give an overview of ways you can go live on TikTok. In contrast to other social media sites, TikTok still has a few requirements to meet in order to be able to use the live feature on TikTok. First and foremost, you must have at least 1,000 followers in your profile before you may begin a live stream. Otherwise, the TikTok live option will not even appear on the screen. Just a warning, don't be alarmed if this feature does not display immediately after you reach the certain amount of followers. In reality, it could take a few days before the live feature actually appears after you hit that following amount. To begin a live on TikTok, you must be at least 18 years old according to the app. This function will become available to you once you have reached the age of 16. Until then, you can only work on the quality of your content. Additionally, if you're over 18, it is possible to receive virtual gifts from your followers, which can later actually be exchanged for real cash. So assuming that you meet all the requirements needed for starting the TikTok live session, let's move on to ways you can organize and improve it. Now that you know the requirements of going live, here's a step-by-step guide on how to access the live feature. Step 1 is to open TikTok on your phone, of course. Then step 2 is to click that little add button or the plus in the middle of the menu tab on TikTok. Step 3 is swipe over to live option under the record button. Step 4, create a title for your streaming. It would be better to choose a short, simple, and catching headline, which provides some general information about your content. We're gonna cover this a little bit later in the video, of course, because this is about tips and tricks to improve your live, so we're gonna cover that later. Step 5, personalize your live stream session. Add some effects or filters to make the session more interactive. So as you're going, you can add effects and things like that. Step 6, tap the go live button to begin. Step 7, as soon as the live stream is over, click the X button to finish it. So that's how you finish the live. Now let's get into ways you can increase the amount of people you have in your TikTok live. Number 1, use hashtags. You're gonna wanna create an engaging title for your live that will let people know what you're doing. It's also important to use hashtags that would allow TikTok to direct your live to the right audience. Just like posting a video on TikTok, you want to use hashtags that are broad within your niche. For example, if I'm in the cooking niche, I will be using the hashtags cooking and cooking tips. This will push it to the right people who are interested in watching people cook or learn how to cook meals. That means people who come into your live will engage and stay. So that will make TikTok push it out to more people. The next important tip is to schedule a live on TikTok. By scheduling a live ahead of time, your followers can register, which means they will be notified when you first go live. Just like a video, the more people that engage with your live when you first start it, the further it will get pushed out. Here's how you can schedule a live. At the top right, click the little calendar with a star on it. Then go to the bottom and click create an event. Once you're here, you can name your event, and you could also make a start time for your event. Make sure you have an attention-grabbing live title so more people will register for your live. Then put in a little description on what you're going to be doing during the live. The next thing you guys can do is go live 10 to 15 minutes after you make a post. The best time to go live is right after you make a post. This is because your followers and other TikTok users will see the video you just posted and will see that you are live. This will incite them to join your live since they just saw your post. Now let's go over the best times to go live currently. Currently, the best times to go live to optimize your TikTok live engagement is 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., and 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Another tip to improve engagement on your live is to reward your viewers. Provide a prize for people that tune into your live stream to make it more interesting. One of the objectives of this strategy is to deliver something of value to your target audience. This can manifest itself in a variety of ways. A social media star from Nepal, for example, had offered to make phone calls to a small number of randomly selected admirers who had commented on his live stream. In the end, more than 1,500 comments were generated as a result. Holding freebies and raffles are another way to thank viewers for participation. You might also provide coupons and discounts as an alternative. Sharing secrets and insights is a traffic method to increase interest and attract more visitors. To put it simply, overall, of course, the most effective approach to reward your readers is to provide them with high quality material. As a result, make certain that your material is meaningful, actionable, and problem solving or emotionally engaging. Posting a teaser video is another great way to get more people into your live. Create a video on TikTok and talk about what you're going to be doing during the live. Make it exciting and engaging. Last but not least, one of the most important ones, consistency and a schedule. If you want to increase the size of your live audience, remember that consistency is essential. Maintain a strict schedule and go live at predetermined times. When you go live on the same day at the same time every week or month, your followers will know when to tune in to watch you. It's an excellent technique for establishing credibility as you grow your audience on TikTok. Now let's get into some live stream content ideas to skyrocket your TikTok live views. First content idea for a live, organize a Q&A. A Q&A webcast increases interactions, attracts more viewers, and allows your audience to connect with you on a more personal level. In today's environment, people value authenticity above anything else. Either prepare a list of questions ahead of time or invite viewers to submit questions via chat. Content idea number 2, cook. Prepare a food that you enjoy. Isn't it exciting to show off your culinary skills and eating abilities to others? An online live stream dedicated to eating and interacting with your audience is known as a eating live stream. It's referred to as a mukbang, and it became popular in South Korea. The third content idea is to take your viewers out. Take a walk to your favorite coffee shop, attend a neighborhood street concert, stroll through a farmer's market, or do whatever it is that you enjoy doing outside of your house. Audiences are fascinated by seeing glimpses of your everyday life, which is why IRL streaming is so enticing. Challenges. There is a good reason why challenges garner so much interest. So if you haven't taken part in any yet, now is an excellent time to get started. When the stakes are high, it's simple for the audience to become engrossed and to begin cheering the streamer on. You can either create a completely new challenge or participate in an existing one. However, you should always avoid challenges that are risky or unethical, as they will cause you more problems than they are worth. Another great content idea is giveaways. Making a giveaway is a great technique to increase engagement rate on your live stream, even if it requires a larger financial investment than the other suggestions on this list. The outcomes are well worth it. If you are working with a limited budget, it is feasible also to develop a contest with no cost. For example, you can do a one-on-one video call as a prize. You have complete control over the rules. A simple gift is preferred by some broadcasters, whereas others devise unusual activities and challenges for their audiences to fulfill. Alright guys, this is going to be it for the video. If you guys are interested in the shout out and to be a next week comment of the week, make sure you guys leave a comment down below and you guys get a chance for a shout out next week. For all you still watching, I have that gift I promised earlier in the video, the TikTok Trend Alert Service. Each day by 3 a.m. Central Time, an email newsletter will be sent straight to your inbox. This email will include 6 to 8 current trends and how you can relate them back to your niche, the best times to post for the day and the best times to post for the next day, 2 to 3 trending effects and 2 to 3 trending hashtags, and algorithm updates, and basically tips you can use for your TikTok account. You guys can get your first week for only $1 by entering the code YouTube at checkout. So don't delay, click on that pinned comment down below. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and we hope you guys gained a lot of knowledge from this video that will help you to success on TikTok. We create content like this almost every single day, so make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment if you want more TikTok videos like this. Anyways guys, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.